Then here 22 ones are 22 fives are 110, 110, remaining 14, 14, after that 14 and 7, 147, 147, then 22 6 are 132 and 7 time. And here 5.67 into 7 is equal to 7 7 are 49, carry 4, 7 6 are 42, 42 or 4 46, 4, 7 5 are 35 or 4 39, and decimal will be here. Then r square is equal to 39.69. Then r is equal to 39.69 and square root of this. Then here we find the square root of this is equal to 39.69. Then 6 into 6, 6 6 are 36, 3 and 6 9. Point here 6 and 6 12, and 12 3 are 3 into 3, 3 3 are 9, 36. Then r is equal to 6.3. Now the radius of this hemispherical dome is 6.3 meter, and now we have to find the volume of this. Then here first is this one is first part require surface area, and second one is volume, and volume we can easily find by taking radius 6.3. we can put in formula 2 by 3 pi r cube. Next question is 27 solid iron sphere, each of radius r and surface area s, melted to form a sphere with surface area s dash. Find the radius r of new sphere, ratio of s and s dash. Here 27 iron solid sphere are melted. If these are melted to form a single sphere, then the volume of 27 spheres will be equal to the new sphere. Okay, then we have to put their volume equal. Then here this one is small sphere, these are 27 in number, and this type 27 iron sphere melted and to form a large sphere of radius r dash, this one radius r. So we find the volume of small sphere, and here let the radius of small sphere each is equal to r unit, and radius of larger sphere is equal to r dash. Therefore volume of one small sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, and volume of 27 small sphere is equal to, because the volume of one small sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, and 27 small sphere will be multiplying by 27, then 27 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. and volume of larger sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r dash cube. R dash is the radius of the larger sphere. Then here we know that volume of these 27 sphere will be equal to the volume of this. So according to problem, 4 by 3 pi r cube equal to 27 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. This one is r dash cube because this is the radius of larger sphere, so we can take this r dash. Then 4 by 3 to cancel, pi to pi cancel, then r cube is equal to 27, r dash cube is equal to 27 r cube, and here r dash cube is equal to, we can take 3, cube of 3 is equal to 27, 3r whole cube. Then 27r cube is equal to 3r whole cube. Then taking cube root to both sides, then r dash is equal to 3r. Here r dash, the radius of the new sphere, will be 3 times of the smaller sphere. Therefore the ratio of radius and r and r will be 1:3, and here s upon s dash. S is the surface area of the smaller sphere, this one type. These are 27. Then here S is 4 pi r square, and upon this one 4 pi r dash square. Then 4 pi to 4 pi cancel, and this implies that S upon S dash is equal to r square upon r dash square, and r dash is equal to 3 into r, 3 times of radius. Then here we can take 3r whole square. Then S upon S dash is equal to r square upon 9r square. Then r square to r square cancel, and S upon S dash is equal to 1 upon 9. So the required ratio is 1:9. Okay. Next question is, the capsule of the medicine is in the shape of the sphere of diameter 3.5 mm. Then find how much medicine in millimeter cube required to fill the capsule. Here we have to find the volume of the one spherical capsule. We can take radius 3.5 by 2 mm, and we can easily find by taking formula 4 by 3 pi r cube, and we can find the medicine which filled in each capsule. Okay, enough for today. In next lecture we will start 13.9. Thanks.